Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. For the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. For the viewers, thank you for clicking this video. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be breaking down the 3 ICT models you need to stop trading and this has been holding you back from actually becoming profitable, right? So one thing I don't like with ICT guys is the fact that he just likes to overcomplicate things, right? So the first model that I really don't like is going to be the optimal trade entry pattern. And essentially guys, this overcomplicated strategy is just, a basic trend continuation setup, right? So price comes, is buying, goes up, price goes to one of these levels, either like the 79, 70 or whatever, which is like somewhere here. When price goes there, you wait for price to go there, execute, and then take your entry, right? But at the end of the day, guys, like it's the same thing as literally saying price is going to indicate itself, right? Indicate itself, correct itself, and then continue, right? So essentially this model, right, this optimal trade entry pattern model is essentially this right here, the continuation phase, right? So that's the first thing. You don't have to complicate things guys by adding a bunch of numbers and things just to sound cool, right? So they did give an entry right there, as you can see, boom, price goes to this and then you buy, right? You don't have to do any of this guys, just wait for price to just retrace, give you an entry right there, right, depending on your session, and then you take your entry. Now the second model guys is going to be the bullish order block. Now the bullish order block essentially just means where a large number of buy orders are executed by institutional traders in the market, and then the market shows you sudden strong movement from that area guys. That's basically what we call area of interest, right? So boom, basically area of interest is just where price has shown you a clear demarcation between buyers and sellers, right? So like they said, it literally just means a large number of buy orders executed, right? So they give an example here, something like this, right? I'm not really sure what this is, but basically guys, it just means the area of interest where price has shown clear demarcation between buyers and sellers. And as you can see guys, if price, whenever price comes to that level, it always has this really strong reaction. As you can see, boom, price is coming to that level. Now it has a strong reaction. There's also another level here, right, that I'm not marking up. Boom, so you can see price will have a strong reaction, as you can see, right? So it's really just called area of interest at the end of the day, where price has shown clear demarcation between buyers and sellers. So clearly above this level price is buying, below this level price is selling, right? And guys, like all this is explained in my ebook, literally right here. So as you can see here, price, it's like kind of complicated here, but if you mark your area of interest, you can clearly see that you can take your trades from these levels right here. Boom, 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 boom. Like all these levels right here, you can take your trades. It's really not that hard to do things like that, right? And then guys, the last model is going to be the breaker block, right? Breaker block. And essentially guys, the breaker block is basically a failed order block which is found after a liquidity sweep or a market structure shift. No strategy is foolproof and SSC is one of them. So small traders, blah 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 blah. Guys, this breaker block thing is basically just a change of trend at the end of the day. Like it's simply just a break and retest and a change of trend, right? So it's simply just that, as you can see, boom, price goes up, creates a high, breaks the low, right? So something like this, they call this a breaker block, but what I call this is basically a low right here. Boom, price creates a low, it creates a high, it breaks the previous low. Once it breaks the previous low, boom, wait for retracements and then continue the trend to the downside. It's really that simple guys. You don't have to complicate any of this stuff, right? So if you want to learn more about my strategy, which is called the ICT concept, guys, just click on the ebook below, guys. I'm going to update this week, so get this ebook guys so you can get the updated version, right? I update this once every week to make it more uniform, right? So I'm going to adjust some of the typos, anything like that, right? But essentially guys, these 3 models are pretty basic guys. Like you don't have to learn complicated strategies guys. You don't have to use 2 hours to learn ICT models guys. Like literally these models that you're hearing, entry pattern, order block, breaker block, all these guys is simply just area of interest, right? Simply just a change of trend, price breaking the previous low, boom, retracing to this and then selling, change of trend. And then literally guys, another thing again is going to be the ICC concept, again the phase you're in, right? So right now guys, as you can see, price created a high like this, broke below the previous high, broke below the previous low, retraced, sold down, and now it's at the correction phase. So right now I'm waiting for price to continue the trend down. It's really that simple, right? And how we make sure that, you know, we don't complicate this is basically just waiting for price to give us a pattern, right? So we don't have to wait for price to go to the 71 fib level or like a precise entry like the OTE 79 or 50%, blah 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 blah. Nah, just wait for price to give you a candlestick pattern and you enter. Really that simple, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you guys gained a lot from this. If you want to gain my ebook, guys, just click the link at the bottom of this video, guys. To get this ebook, just put your name and your email and you will get the link. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed a lot from this. I will see you guys in a different video. Peace.